the lawsuit.
Well, apparently we are in another wave of COVID-19 cases. A Northern California health leader sounding the alarm as cases rise.
That's right, Pat. And now LA County health leaders are issuing a warning as well, telling people to keep their masks on. KCAL 9's Joy Benedict live at LAX tonight with more on this uptick in cases. Joy?
Yeah, Juan, Pat, we have come so far in the last 2 years, but apparently it is not far enough. If cases are on the increase, there are new Omicron subvariants popping up all over the world and here in Los Angeles County, and that's why health officials are letting us all know we're not quite in the clear.
We're now into our 6th wave.
It is an alarming thought. Another wave of COVID cases as health officials in Northern California put everyone on alert.
We came out of the devastating Omicron wave, had a brief respite, and for the last month, our cases have been slowly rising.
In LA County, health experts aren't ready to wave the red flag quite yet.
I would not call what we're seeing right now a surge. It's definitely an increase in cases.
LA County Health Director Dr. Barbara Ferrer says the only thing going up is cases, as hospitalizations and deaths remain low, and she wants to keep it that way.
I don't really know what is good and what's not at the end of the day anymore.
But those traveling say some just aren't doing their part.
I just think Americans are a bunch of babies. We gotta get over it. Just do what we gotta do to support other people.
At LAX, those with masks and those without seem to scurry side by side, despite the fact that masks are required at all transportation hubs in the county, including the terminals.
I have a mask just in case. I didn't know that.
I think it's harder for the disembarking passengers to understand the rules in LA County. I have a lot of confidence that as the messaging continues, people will get more comfortable.
Health experts are also concerned about an increase in cases surrounding students and the virus spreading through extracurricular activities. Ferrer says it's not time to cancel end of the school year plans, just to plan better.
One thing you could do that would immediately make a safer prom is to have it outside.
A safer option travelers just don't have, which is why we are all asked to do our part.
I love it. I got on the plane, I was like, oh yeah, we're heading to LA. Of course everyone's wearing a mask because everyone's a little more conscious.
And speaking of being conscious, Dr. Barbara Ferrer says in addition to trying to move those school activities outside, she says you could also offer testing at whatever particular extracurricular activity you have going on. She says all schools in LA County should have access to plenty of tests. Guys.